Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to always display the scale on Google Maps using your phone. This feature is really helpful if you want to measure distances accurately and understand the map scale better. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. Then, scroll down through the menu until you find the option called Show Scale on Map. Tap on it to access the scale settings. You will see multiple options, and here you should choose Always. This ensures that the scale is constantly displayed on your map, making it easier to measure distances whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.